Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video on daily market analysis and stock updates. Today we have some important updates regarding the world of IPOs. We have an announcement regarding 3 IPO listings regarding Rashi Peripherals and Jana Small Financing Bank and Capital Small Financing Bank. So we'll discuss the IPO details in this video. And we also have important update from Paytm stock. As Paytm stock hits 10% upper circuit today, so we'll discuss the details and reasons behind that. And we also have an important update from HDFC Bank regarding its recent funding. So we'll discuss the details. Before going to that, let's check Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty closings and how they reacted today. Today in the morning, Nifty opened a gap up opening and after that back-to-back red candles has been formed. A small 20 to 25 minutes consolidation move has been seen in the market and after that Nifty continued in its selling move. Previous day closing price has been broken by Nifty and the selling continued until day low of 21,860 points. And in the second half of the market, Nifty came into consolidation and closed at 21,949 points. In the morning, it made a day high of 22,053 points. When coming to Bank Nifty made a gap up opening, but it made 2 green candles in the morning unlike Nifty. And after that, you can see the red candle follow up and the selling continued till the day low of 45,620 points. Initially, it has broken the previous day closing price and after that, a selling move has been seen, but that selling didn't continue. After breaking that, we can see a consolidation move happening in the second half of the market. Initially, the day high formed is 46,062 points and in the closing, Bank Nifty closed at 45,916 points. So we can say it was a normal expiry for the traders and there was the volatility increased in the market today. Now moving on to the stock updates, we have our first update from the world of IPOs. We have some exciting IPOs waiting for us. This week promised to be action packed for investors looking to park their money in initial public offerings or IPOs. 3 prominent companies including 2 small finance banks, that is Capital and Jana, along with Rashi Peripherals are set to keep the primary market busy with their combined public offerings of 1,693 crore rupees. Additionally, the IPO of Apizaya Surender Park Hotels worth 920 crore rupees will be closed on February 7th, 2024, that is today. Let's start with Rashi Peripherals, a national distributor partner for global technology brands in India. The company aims to raise 600 crore IPO. This IPO is entirely a fresh issue of equity shares with no offer for sale component. The price band is set at 295 rupees to 311 rupees per share and investors can bid for a minimum of 48 shares. This issue is reserved for various categories of investors with almost 50% reserved for qualified institutional buyers, that is QIB. Moving on to Jana Financial Bank, the 4th largest small financing bank in terms of AUM and deposit size. The bank plans to raise 570 crore rupees through its IPO. The price band is fixed at 393 rupees to 414 rupees per share with a lot size of 36 shares. This issue comprises a fresh issue of equity shares worth 462 crore and remaining 108 crore through the offer for sale, that is OFS route. The bank aims to utilize the capital raised to augment its Tier 1 capital base and meet future capital requirements. Next, we have Capital Small Finance Bank, which aims to garner 523 crore rupees through its IPO. The price band for this IPO is set at 445 rupees to 468 rupees per share with a lot size of 32 shares. This IPO consists of fresh equities worth 450 crore rupees and an OFS of 15,61,329 equity shares worth 73.07 crore rupees. The bank plans to utilize the capital raised to augment its Tier 1 capital base and meet future capital requirements. Both Jana Small Financing Bank and Capital Small Financing Bank have received significant interest from anchor investors. Jana SFB raised 167 crore rupees from anchor investors, while Capital SFB mobilized 157 crore rupees. In conclusion, these IPOs present exciting opportunities for investors to participate in the growth stories of these companies. With the IPOs opening today, investors have the chance to evaluate these offerings and make informed investment decisions. Now moving on to our second update, which is from Paytm stock. Well, Paytm shares surged today, hitting a 10% upper circuit on the BSE. This comes after reports of a meeting between Paytm CEO Vijay Sharma and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In the meeting, Sharma reportedly sought support regarding recent RBI regulations, expressing concerns about their impact on India's fintech industry, and investors seem to be responding positively to this news, especially after Paytm's shares took a beating, dropping over 42% since February 1st. Despite the recent rally, Paytm stock is still trading significantly lower than its one-year high, but it's not up by 19% from its recent low. There's definitely some optimism in the air. So now there was some speculations about Geo Financial Services acquiring Paytm's wallet business, but Paytm has dismissed these as speculative and baseless, as we discussed in yesterday's video. Global brokerage firm Bernstein maintains an outperform rating on the stock with a revised target price, acknowledging the regulatory challenges but expressing confidence in Paytm's ability to adapt. So, as Paytm continues to navigate through regulatory hurdles and market volatility, investors remain cautiously optimistic about its future. Now, moving on to the third update we have from HDFC Bank regarding its recent financial developments. HDFC Bank has secured a substantial investment of $750 million from the GIFT City, that is International Financial Service Center, demonstrating its commitment to expansion and growth. The funding was obtained through senior unsecured bonds denominated in US dollars, highlighting HDFC Bank's strong position in the financial market. Well, what's particularly noteworthy is the bank's dedication to sustainability. The profits generated from issuing these bonds will be directed towards environmentally friendly and socially beneficial projects, aligning with HDFC Bank's sustainable finance framework. Despite a marginal dip in share prices, HDFC Bank's financial indicator remains robust with a significant increase in interest income and net revenue. Operating expenses have seen an increase, but the bank maintains a healthy cost to income ratio, indicating efficient operations. Total deposits have also witnessed a substantial rise, reflecting the trust and confidence of customers in HDFC Bank services. With a solid financial foundation and a focus on sustainable growth, HDFC Bank continues to be a key player in the financial landscape. If you are carrying HDFC Bank in your portfolio, comment down your percentage returns and CAGR that you have obtained in the past. So that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, and like the video and subscribe to our channel if you really found this video informative at any point of time.